Hey there, health warriors. Ever feel like your body's calling out for a detox? Today, we're diving into the best foods to clean out your liver and give your health a natural boost. Stick around to discover how you can revitalize your body with simple, tasty ingredients. Your liver is like your body's personal detox machine. It filters out toxins, helps with digestion, and keeps your metabolism in check. But just like any hard-working machine, it needs regular maintenance. So, what should you be eating to keep your liver happy and healthy? Let's break it down. Garlic, packed with selenium, which boosts liver enzyme production. Beetroot, rich in antioxidants and nitrates that reduce inflammation. Turmeric, contains curcumin, which fights liver damage. Green tea, full of catechins, known to improve liver function. Leafy greens, spinach and kale, which neutralize heavy metals and chemicals. Now, let's get practical. Imagine this: it's been a long week, and you're feeling sluggish. Instead of reaching for that greasy takeout, whip up a quick salad with spinach, beetroot, and a touch of garlic. Not only delicious, but your liver will thank you. Remember, it's all about consistency. Incorporate these liver-loving foods into your diet regularly, and you'll start to feel the difference. Drink plenty of water, get enough sleep, and try to avoid excessive alcohol and processed foods. Thanks for tuning in, health warriors. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, drop a comment with your favorite liver cleansing food, and don't forget to subscribe for more health tips. Let's keep our livers and our lives clean and vibrant.